We are going to study about the topic Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa to India in the year 1915. There, he had led a peaceful agitation against the discrimination meted out to Indians. It was in South Africa that he developed his brand of Satyagraha. Before beginning with the topic, let us see what does the word Satyagraha means. It was a novel method of mass agitation and a form of non-violent resistance. It is based on the ideas of truth and non-violence. Some of the methods of satyagrahas are strikes, hartals, and peaceful demonstrations. Let us now study about the three satyagrahas started by Gandhiji. Champaran Satyagraha, 1916. The Champaran movement in 1916 was the first satyagraha movement by Gandhiji in India. Farmers of Bihar were protesting against the forced farming of indigo. Farmers wanted Gandhiji to support their cause by organizing mass movement to protest against injustice. It was the first popular movement which gave direction to India's youth and freedom fighters. It was during this time that Gandhiji was given the name Bapu and Mahatma. Kheda Satyagraha, 1917. 1917 was a year of failed crops in the Kheda district of Gujarat due to droughts. People of Kheda were unable to pay the high taxes levied by the British due to crop failure and plague. Therefore, Mahatma Gandhi organized this movement to support the peasants of Kheda. People from all castes and ethnicities lent their support to the movement. The protest was peaceful, and people have shown remarkable courage in the face of adversity. Finally, the authorities gave in, and they gave some concessions to the farmers. In this way, this movement ended successfully. Ahmedabad Satyagraha, 1918. Gandhiji used Satyagraha and hunger strike for the first time during an industrial dispute between the owners and the workers of a cotton mill in Ahmedabad. The owners wanted to withdraw the plague bonuses to the workers, while the workers were demanding a hike of 35% in their wages. During the peaceful strike led by Gandhiji, he underwent a hunger strike. This strike was successful and the workers were granted the wage hike they wanted. In this way, this movement also ended successfully. In all these movements, Gandhiji was able to involve the masses, including farmers, artisans, and people from all sections of the society. This was a change from the previous movements when the participation was limited to upper and middle class only.